Transform your outdoor decor with these stunning lavender artificial flowers. This package includes 22 bundles of bright purple lavender, perfect for adding charm to any space. I use 2 bundles for each pot, making the plants look more full and vibrant. See how easy it is to customize the look. Each bundle features adjustable stems that can be lengthened to create a fuller appearance, giving you the flexibility to design your arrangements just the way you like. The high quality plastic feels realistic and maintains its vibrant color, ensuring your space looks lively all year round. These artificial flowers are also UV resistant, meaning they won't fade in sunlight, keeping them looking fresh no matter the season. Plus, they're perfect for both indoor and outdoor uses, making them a versatile decor choice. I use dirt to secure the stems in my planters, but you could also use foam for easy arrangement. What's even better is that some real leaves and small flowers started sprouting up alongside the artificial plants. This added touch makes the arrangement look even more realistic and vibrant. Enhance your outdoor space with these lovely lavender artificial flowers today. With multiple uses for decoration, they're sure to brighten up any area effortlessly. Get your bundles now and enjoy endless beauty with zero upkeep.